Running a web design business is hard. Okay, there is not a magic solution to being able to earn lots of money or even earn six figures or whatever your financial goal might be. There's a lot of people turning to this industry assuming that it is easy. Certainly as a web designer, it's not as easy as you may think. Okay, trying to create stability or financial stability in your web design business can be incredibly hard. Okay, think about it. The nature of the web design business model is that you will speak to a customer because they acquire a website. You will work with them, you will design them a website, you will build it for them, and then you will put it online and launch it for them so they have a brand new website. But once all of that is done and you've been paid, that's it. You need to go through that process again. So I like to think of it as the rat race or being on that hamster wheel, just constantly trying to chase the next client. That is incredibly difficult and it is exhausting, and you will find it very, very difficult to scale. So what's the solution? Okay, as a web designer, what is it that you can do in order to create the stability in your business so you don't need to worry about where the next paycheck's coming or whether you've managed to sign up X amount of clients this month to make ends meet? Okay, because it's not a very nice position to be in. I've been there myself. It's not nice going month to month trying to find new clients and stressing out where that money is going to come from. Okay, but there is a solution, and that solution is monthly recurring revenue services. Okay, monthly recurring revenue is when money is coming into your business every single month, and that means that things are a lot more predictable. Now, there are ways that as a web designer you can create monthly recurring revenue, or MRR, and these are website maintenance plans or SEO. Website maintenance plans are great. Certainly if you are like me and you're building websites on WordPress, WordPress needs a lot of maintenance. It needs its core files and system to be updated regularly. It needs its plugins to be updated regularly to ensure that things are running smoothly and safe and secure. You might find if you've built websites within WordPress for your clients that they haven't managed to upkeep the plugins or update anything, and they come back to you saying that their website's been compromised or there's malicious code on it or it's redirecting. Something has happened to it to cause it to break. Okay, that has happened to me time and time again. So it makes sense to create a maintenance plan where you can support them on an ongoing basis to help them avoid such things happening. Okay, so what we do in our agency and what I teach within our Agency Alchemist program is to provide monthly support to your client to ensure that you are updating the WordPress website, you are updating the plugins, you are making sure that things are secure, you're placing it on fast, reliable hosting, and they don't need to worry about anything. Okay, they don't need to really ever log into their website, they don't need to make sure things are up to date, because ultimately they're busy, they're working on their business, they haven't got the time or really the know-how, depending on how technical they are, to be able to run and maintain their website, which is why if you offer that as a service, you can do that every single month and get paid for it. Now you can charge anywhere from say $50 to like $200 a month for this maintenance service for a small website. You can charge even more if it's a larger website or an e-commerce website. Okay, so that is an opportunity there to bring in monthly recurring revenue. And if you can build yourself a nice client base here of say 20 websites on even just $100 or £100 a month, that is £2,000, $2,000 coming into your business every single month, and that is predictable. Okay, and then when you sign up a new website deal, a new website project, that then becomes almost like the cherry on top. Now, MRR services like this has honestly saved my business, because I went from not necessarily struggling, but I was certainly very stressed trying to figure out where the next project or the next paycheck was going to come from. And I started to appreciate how important MRR services are within the business. Okay, so we've covered maintenance plans. We can also offer something like SEO. Now, we offer SEO in our agency, and we found that it's the marketing service that makes sense to pair with website design. Okay, we've trialed the likes of Facebook ads, but they often work well with landing pages, not necessarily website builds. But the reason why SEO works so well is because when you have built a client a website, you can simply ask them, well, how are you going to get your traffic? Because having a website is only 50% of the equation. They need visitors to find that website. Now, often they'll say, well, I want to rank on Google. And it's like, great. Okay, you can now speak to them about SEO services. SEO is something that needs to be implemented every single month. It is an ongoing, long-term process that takes anywhere from 6 to 12 months to see any tangible results and rank higher on Google. Now, if you can offer this within your business, if you can offer web design and SEO as two individual services to help a client not only have a good website that's built to convert customers, but also be able to generate them the traffic, okay, they're going to be very, very happy with you, and it's going to be a lot easier for you to build a business that is sustainable. Okay, that's the important thing here. Building a web design business that is sustainable. Okay, businesses need to market their websites. People don't just stumble across websites, okay? They need to be marketed. And if you're able to help them with that, that means that there's more revenue coming into your business, okay? Which is fantastic. Okay, so there are two ways that you can build monthly recurring revenue into your business. We've got maintenance plans for websites, and we've got SEO for the websites that you build, or even the website that they have built somewhere else, and you can just do the SEO and the marketing for them. There's two ways that you can build that monthly recurring revenue. Now, if you want to learn how you can actually implement either of these two things into your business, then I want to invite you to learn more about the Agency Alchemist program. There's a link down in the description. This is an end-to-end program for beginners to intermediate web designers that are looking to create stability in their business, looking to improve the way that they find and speak to clients, the way that they're able to sign up clients, the way that they're able to price more, the end-to-end process of how to professionally deliver a website to a client. All of those things are covered within this program. So if you're looking to fast track your success, fast track the way that you're able to create stability, fast track the amount of money that you're able to make within a year, I do recommend that you just go and check that out and see if it is potentially a good fit for you. Now, if you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. We're coming to the end of the video, and there'll be an end screen coming up now. So if you want to go check out any other videos, make sure that you go and do that, because I think you'll find them useful. That's it for me. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.